so pissed off when they told me that I couldn't go back to work.
I know, I hear the weather radio. I'm doing video. I'm more worried about your safety than mine.
Well, Daddy, we want you to be safe, so get your...
Really? Oh. Look at it, Savannah. Look at the sky.
You see the greens? Yeah. Green? Greenage, Daddy.
Greenage. Saddle them up, boss. So, no. Saddle them up. You got it, boss. No, but very large hail and strong winds.
If you're gonna stay out, stay out.
Right here, Savannah, is the leading edge.
Daddy!
I hear the wind.
Don't hurt yourself again.
Oh, God.
Come on, Savannah, in.
Hey. Hold that door open for me.
Hold out of the way so Daddy can come in.
Oh, God. I hear a jet engine. Here it comes. All right, here comes the cool outflow air. Oh, oh. This is badass. Wow, that rain's here already. Look at Savannah. Look at, there's the leading edge. Here it comes. The sky is green.
Total greenish. See, I do remember my line.
Oh, here it comes. Here comes the wind.
Right?